Right guys, let's work with exercise 3.3. It says given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property you know. Alright, so you just need to be good about properties of parallelogram. I'll just repeat that. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Alright, opposite sides are equal and parallel, and according to the diagonal property, I know that the diagonals bisect each other. It just means that OA and OC would be equal because O is the midpoint of AC, and similarly OD and OB would be equal because O is the midpoint of BD also. That's all about it. Right, there's another property which says if you add any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram, you get the sum to be 180, or they are supplementary angles, and the opposite angles are equal. Okay, these are the properties. If you can remember, you can solve these things. All right, go ahead. It says AD is equal to what? I can see that AD is a line, right? And this line will be equal to which line in this whole diagram? Opposite line, right? This guy. It has to be equal to CB. Why is that? Simply because opposite sides are equal. That's it, right? Go to the next one. DCB is equal to what? So I have a D and a C and a B. This angle is equal to what? I know that opposite angles are equal. Exactly. So this angle has to be equal to this guy. That is DAB. Why is that? Because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. Okay, very simple. All right. What next? OC. Look at this. OC. This line should be equal to OA. Why? Because O is midpoint of AC. It means OA is dividing AC into two halves. So I can write OC is equal to OA. Why is that? Because O is the midpoint of AC. Alright, very simple. Or I can also say that BD line, or the diagonal BD, bisects AC at O. Well, that's it. Now the last thing, I have magnitude of angle DAB, right? DAB plus CDA. CDA. It means this angle plus this angle. I'm looking at these two angles. If you add these two guys, I get what? We get supplementary angle. That is 180 degrees, right? So that's it. So the answer is very simple. That is 180 degrees. What can be the property? You can just write that. The sum of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degrees. That's all about it. Pretty simple.